Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my TEMU travel and outdoor essentials. I ordered this from TEMU for my travel and outdoor essentials, and I have not opened it yet. Okay, so I just wanted to share the moment with you. So I decided to wait till I'm doing it on camera before I unbox it. So I'm going to share with you everything that's here. I'm also going to give you a little bit of reason why I got them. Okay, so stay with me to the end. So I'm going to be unboxing this and bringing it out in no particular order. So whatever I lay my hands on, that is what I'm going to show you. So far, as you can see, everything is super packaged, and I really, that's one thing I love about Temu. Once it gets to you, everything will still be intact. You remember my last unboxing video? You remember everything was intact and I had to struggle to unwrap it, and it's going to be almost the same thing this time around again. So let's unbox it. I'm done opening. I'm going to check what's inside now. Let me start from what you guys in front of me here. Okay, I got this bag. I got this bag because when I'm going out, I would love to have something or like a bag, a cross bag that I can carry my. I got it so I'm able to carry my phone, my purse. I can just cross it, and it's so spacious, and it has this here for cross, and this is unisex. Yes, I'm going to keep this aside now and go for the next one here. Okay, I'll open this up now. So this is my wireless microphone, so that when I'm talking to you, you can hear me clearly. And this is important for my outdoor or travel essential. So because when I'm traveling or when I'm outdoor, I'll be able to communicate with my audience properly, and you hear everything I'm saying even though I'm outdoor. So that's why I got this. I'm just going to keep this aside now. And I got this wireless headset. Okay, place this in my ear and make my calls. I'm going to keep this aside. I also got this for toothbrush casing. I will use it to keep my toothbrush, toothpaste, and everything when I'm traveling. Instead of having everything unorganized, things that are not organized, everything will just be here and intact. Okay, so I also got a purse. This is very important for me because for my travel essential or outdoor essential, when I'm going, I need to have my ID card, my ATM card, and all of those things. And I cannot have them and carry them on my hand. So I need something that I can, hold them as a girly girl and hold them right beside me. So I need this wallet to, keep them. So I'm just going to put this aside now and open something else. Okay. This is a selfie stick. As a content creator or anyone at all, you're traveling, you need a selfie stick to take that special moment to snap pictures and take that special moment while traveling, or maybe when you're outdoor, when I'm outdoor. So I try to get this a selfie stick as someone who loves taking pictures, taking videos. This is an essential for me. Okay, so I'm going to keep this aside now. Okay. I also got this bag, guys, and wow, it came as I imagined it. I'm loving it already. Okay, let me open it and see. Bring it out. Wow, this is so fine. This bag is airline approved, so I can travel with it through airline, toothbrush, anywhere I can travel with it. And wow, it has a lot of compartments. I'm going to take my time to make videos of all of this separately. So today is just going to be me unboxing and seeing if it's what I ordered. That if what I ordered is what I got. Okay. And this is my travel essentials. I can use it to pack my items, everything that I need for traveling, especially for a weekend travel. This is my number one go-to. Okay, so I'm going to keep this aside. The bag even came with a USB wire, so it means you can use this bag to charge your phone. Wow. So I'm going to keep this aside now and open. And this umbrella, this is my umbrella, this is my outdoor essential. In Nigeria here, it's about to be a rainy season, and I'll be needing this, and it's so portable, so tiny that I can even put it even in this, I can place it even in this bag here. Guys, enter this bag. Yeah, and this bag is so fine that even this wallet can go in. You see that? Almost every of my essentials that I need to go out will go into my bag. Okay, so this is the umbrella. So let me bring out the umbrella. Let's see. It can even go into my pocket. So cute. So I'm going to keep it aside now. Okay, so let me see. I also got this as a tailor. I need this because I don't know when someone will say, please take my measurement. I need you to make something for me. Okay, so this is a tape. Okay, this is a tape that I use to take measurements. Okay, all I need to do, when I pull it out, I work and I'm done. I press and it goes back. I love it. I also got this as a tailor when I'm struggling to, as a tailor when I struggle, sometimes I struggle inserting my thread through my eye of the needle. So this really helped me to pass my thread through the needle. Okay, so that's why I got this. Let me bring it out so that you see it very well. Okay, let's bring one out so that you see it. See, it's so tiny, but it will do the work to get the job done. And it's three. I bought three. And I also got my pedicure set. Yeah. So I need to take care of myself before going out in the first place. And this will do it. Okay. And this different set of nails. I'm a mom, so I love fixing nails. Okay, this is a mom. I've not been able to fix nails the way I want to. So I've been thinking, what do I do? And I found this on TEMU that I can use it to fix it. And whenever I want to pull it out, I pull it out. Whenever I'm going out, I just fix it. And when I get back, I can pull it out and continue being a mommy. So I'm going to keep this aside now. And also, I got this for my babies. There's no way I can get things I need and not order anything for them. So I got this tablet two. Okay, the drawing board. I got two of it. Okay, used for drawing. It has a pen. It has a pen that you can use to write. The screen is sealed, so maybe later on I'll show you how it works. I'll create a separate video and show you how it works if possible. Is that all? Yeah, that is all for my Temu travel essential. I am super grateful if you watched with me to this point. Thank you very much. And you can get items for $0 on Temu. All you need to do is to click on my code on the screen right now, and you can get items for $0. Code on the screen, or if you're a new app user, you can get items for $0 with qualified orders. Okay, just follow this code on my screen right now and type it on the search bar, and you're going to get $0 items, okay, with qualifying orders. And check the description box to follow my link, and you can also go through that link to make your orders and get your gifts. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.